This beautiful 2008 Chrysler 300 has been detailed and is now ready for the road, and Carfax estimates that this vehicle has had one owner, and that it also qualifies for the Carfax buyback guarantee. This vehicle has comfortable seats, and is equipped with a harmonious 5.7-liter 8-cylinder 16-valve engine, and has a fluid 5-speed automatic transmission. Its electronic features include an audio system with a satellite link and a CD player which can read MP3s, a 6-speaker in-cabin sound system and a computer that displays the vehicle's average fuel consumption and its range, based on its remaining fuel. The safety features on this vehicle include a 4-wheel anti-lock braking system, 4 ventilated disc brakes and both driver and passenger side front airbags with integrated multi-stage deployment system. Carfax has not received any information indicating that the airbags have been deployed. Please contact our professional sales staff today to schedule a test drive.